Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I've got something super exciting to share with you, a brand new product. Now, hold up a second, before we dive in, I want you to do me a solid favor. Check out the full review I've put together for you.
AI Teachify software. In this video, I'm going to show the detailed tutorial with demo working of this platform. After your sign up, you'll need to start with the login page. Fill your login details and click Sign In button to get into the dashboard. After login, your page will be loaded. In this, we have created a sample works. Now, to generate a course, step 1, you'll need to click on the Generate Course button on the top right corner. Step 2, you'll need to enter the main title of the course and their subtopics in it. Here you can add up to 10 subtopics according to the course length, and you can also remove the subtopic by clicking Remove Subtopic option. Here I'm entering 4 subtopics. Step 3, after entering subtopics, you'll need to choose the type of the course. Choose the course type you need, and you can choose the course language from the drop-down list. It supports multiple languages. After all, click Submit button to generate the course. After a few seconds, it will show the course topics in it. After checking all, click Generate Course option down below. The AI now have created a full course with the topics you gave. Now here you can view the course contents, and there's AI teachers also there for the help. You want notes to take down? There's a notes option to take down your important points. After completing the full course one by one, there will be final quiz to get a certificate. After successful completion of quiz, you'll get the certificate. Important. You must be very careful while registering your details while sign up, because your name will be printed on the certificate with the name you gave in the registering your account. Want to export the course? Here's the option to do that. You can export the course in PDF format. Want to share the course link? There's an option to do that too. Prefer dark mode and light mode? There's the icon to change it. When you click Home button, you'll see the list of courses that you created. And want to change the account details? Click the profile and you can change the details like name, password. Here's the detailed tutorial with live demo of AI Teachify. Thanks for watching.